Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple images in Snapseed. If you don't know how to add multiple images in your Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, launch the Snapseed app. Click here to add image that you want to add multiple images to. I'll take this photo as the example. After selecting the photo that you want to edit, click on Tools at the bottom menu. Here, scroll a bit and you'll see double exposure option. Click on it. Now, click here to add the image over this image. I'll choose this image and adjust it according to your need. I'm gonna place it right there and click here to save changes. We have added one photo. Now to add another photo, repeat the process. That is, click on Tools at the bottom menu and scroll a bit and you'll see double exposure, and click here to add another image. For now, I'll choose this one and adjust its size according to your need. You can also change its opacity, or you can also add different styles of filter here. And once you're happy with your edit, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added multiple images in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.